When you get to the part that says, when you're jumping up punani and you feel like you've been swallowed by a hog, that line is the line. From the moment that line come on, Mr. Allen, Donald Trump started to act strangely. When you thought you heard everything, now this. Folks, I couldn't believe my ears when my ears said Donald Trump, no. Trying to blame his latest lewdness, comment, whatever.
Grab him by the pussy.
And dancehall icon, the one and only Shabba Ranks. Of course, I reach out to Shabba Ranks, and I can tell you right now, Shabba Ranks is not happy. Is that?
Kill the whole of the straight.
I've seen a little bit. But first, I contacted the Trump campaign to get confirmation on the story. And I received back an email. And I quote, about 11 years ago, Mr. Trump was at a party. And this song by Shabba Ranks came on that says, love punani bad, love punani bad, love punani bad, me a punani guinea god.
I said it.
Mr. Allen, the song came on and everything was okay. But then something strange happened. When you get to the part that says, when you're jumping up punani and you feel like you've been swallowed by a hog.
You're getting up punani that can swallow a egg.
From the moment that line come on, Mr. Allen, Donald Trump started to act strange. For some reason, Mr. Allen, the two lines about the hog Mr. Trump's head. Then when you get to the other part that says, if you don't wash the punani, it's gonna smell like a dead hog.
If you don't wash the punani good, it's thinking than dead ox.
For some reason, when you get to that part, Mr. Allen, Mr. Trump started going around and grabbing a woman's punani. I am not sure why, but I can tell you that it happens during the song Love Punani Bad, Love Punani Bad, Me a Punani Guinea God. You imagine that?
Love punani bad, love punani bad. New York roots man, them love punani bad. Come now.
I've said some foolish things, but there's a big difference between the words and actions of other people.
Yes, folks, so right after I read the email, I reached out to Shabba Ranks. Shabba Ranks was not happy. Shabba Ranks told me to send over one of my reporters so he can make a statement. Now, let me tell you something about Shabba Ranks. Anytime Shabba Ranks is not happy about something, first he asks you to say his name because he wants to make sure that you know you're talking to Shabba Ranks. Watch.
What is my name? Say my name.
Shabba Ranks.
All right, all right.
And then Shabba Ranks went on.
You hear me? Your mind must be on job. And if I catch you outside of this place, I will put your face in a ties in a bathtub. Backyard TV, I make on the know, say, me vex 4 times more than honor.
I moved on her like a bitch.
Joke business, and that's how we conduct our thing. Yeah, it's a pleasure. All the people who love dancehall music, just keep loving dancehall music. Cause them a come after we, you know. And them not try stop trap we, you know. So, live good. Emperor, a dancehall, Shabba Ranks. Because all of them say them a king. It take kings of kings to be me, Emperor.
Put on it in a panty, no. We're in a bank, we know. But to put on it, now we're a military badge. You're getting up, put on it that can swallow a egg.